Professor Brasseur, thank you very much. And Director General Pavel Kabat of EASA, a most remarkable institution, and I hope everybody in Vienna is very proud of being a neighbor of this unique and world-renowned institution. And Professor and President Franz Fischler, President of Austria and President of the European Forum, Albach. What a great honor it is to be together with you this evening, and I want to thank you for turning out for some brainstorming together. We wouldn't be here if we weren't in a bit of a mess. I'm not going to give you simple answers to simple questions because the questions are very complicated and the answers do not quite exist. But I hope that I can give some clarification about the challenges of sustainable development and also some reasons for hope and some clarity about what a path to sustainable development for the entire planet might mean. I wish we were on that path now. We are not. We have serious and unmet challenges that will intensify in the future. We have not yet shown our capacity as a species and as a global political system and increasingly a global society to face these realities with the kind of clarity and expertise and division of labor and effectiveness that we do in many other spheres of life. In a way, many of the problems that we face are problems of our triumph, after all. If we were not so good at producing things, if we were not so good at extracting things, if we were not so good after 300 years of modern science at growing food and sustaining a planet, we also would not be in a situation to be wrecking the planet. So our dangers are in a way also the reverse side of our successes. But that fact also is a reason for hope. I'm going to argue that we have the tools and the knowledge to find our way through these challenges, and that it is a question of organization, capacity, and determination, and I would say fundamentally a moral question, more than an economic question or even a political question, of how we proceed in this century. The problems that I'm going to talk about this evening, ladies and gentlemen, are unique to our generation. So this is a special challenge for us. We are the first generation that can end extreme poverty. We are the first generation that can utterly wreck the planet through environmental degradation. It's quite a responsibility, quite an exciting challenge for us, but one that unfortunately we haven't properly recognized yet. We are, in a way, the first generation living in a truly global society. This is also a phenomenon that we are clearly not quite ready for, psychologically, emotionally, institutionally, politically. But if you look at this interesting graphic representation of the world, the blue lines are the shipping lines, and the white lines are the airline connections, and the green are the roads on the world map. What they show